The pace of change in technology has always been rapid and has altered the world to where it is now. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 technologies that will help shape the future of Earth in the few decades to come. Make sure you stay till the end because I'll be showing you the 3 most promising projects that's going to help change the world as we know it. Hey, it's Machi here from Hive Studio, where we help you enhance your brand and business with our weekly content. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and stay tuned for more content. As we move close to the 4th Industrial Revolution, the convergence and the interactions between multiple technologies are increased, resulting in new innovations and revolutionary projects every year. Life on Earth began with single-celled organisms, which then took millions of years to evolve into multicellular organisms. Similarly, after a few millions of years of evolution, monkeys evolved into humans. We consider ourselves to be the alpha predators that sits on top of the food chain. But are we? Artificial intelligence, a superficial being. It makes it simpler for individuals to find and communicate with their friends and loved ones. When you use Instagram, Facebook, or any other major social media, you are aware that the platform also uses big data and artificial intelligence to target advertising and showing platform users relevant information, combating spam, and also improving user experience. Do you know how smart the phone that you have is? Almost all the smartphones are compiled with Google Assistant or Siri. Use of AI in voice assistants are huge support to individuals as they can read emails, surf the web, make suggestions to you, and also run apps. Nanotechnology multiplies matter at the molecular level in order to impact the future of several industries. Consumer electronics, silicon, and healthcare are just a few of the important sectors where nanotechnology has the potential to make significant advancement in the future. Nanoparticles are being used by scientists to target tumors in medication delivery systems and to improve medical imaging. Nanorobotic devices are planned to be employed by 2028 to reverse the effects of cholesterol and cardiovascular disease, assist the immune system in combating infections, destroy tumors, and contribute to beneficial flaws in the cell. People sometimes enjoy living in their own reality as a way to escape all of their problems and simply relax a little. Technology has paved the way into new reality for people to engage and indulge in, also known as extended reality. Extended reality is a broad term that includes immersive learning technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. XR will play a major role in the future to improve business efficiency, productivity, competitiveness, and safety. Extended reality is intertwined with the metaverse, which is a fictitious iteration of the internet as a single, worldwide, and immersive virtual environment made possible by the usage of virtual and augmented reality headsets. Synthetic biology is the next phase of human evolution. The field uses methods and ideas from other disciplines to create biological devices and grasp biological systems. Synthetic biologists use biological elements like DNA, RNA, or protein to build their structures. Genome editing, commonly referred to as gene editing, is a group of scientific techniques that lets experts change the DNA of an organism. These technologies allows for the insertion, deletion, or change of genetic information at a certain location in the genome. Technology has aided humanity in terms of connectivity and ease of access in past few years. Now that we can link common objects to the internet via embedded devices, including as kitchen appliances, vehicles, thermostats, and baby monitors, we can achieve seamless communication between people, processors, and other things. While the concept of IoT has been around for a long time, recent breakthroughs in a variety of various technologies have made it a reality. What is an example of an IoT device? An IoT device is a light bulb that can be turned on with a smartphone app, as can a motion sensor, a smart thermostat in your office, or a linked street light. And now, before the best part, click the thumbs up button to let us know that you like to see more content like this one. And now for the finale, we're going to talk about 3 projects that are estimated to change the way of living on Earth. Number 1, The Line. The line is a civilizational revolution that prioritizes humanity by offering an unmatched urban living experience while protecting the environment in Saudi Arabia. It reimagines urban development and what cities of the future should look like. Everything will be within a 5-minute walk, and an efficient public transportation network will allow for a 20-minute journey from start to finish. Number 2. Hyperloop. A hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that has been suggested for both public and private use. The Hyperloop project comprises of 3 parts: the tube, the pod, and the terminal. The tube is a big, low-pressure sealed system, usually a long tunnel. The pod is pressurized at atmospheric pressure gauge that uses magnetic propulsion to travel inside this tube almost free of air, resistant of friction. The terminal is in charge of pod arrivals and departures. Number 3. Sophia. The most sophisticated humanoid robot from Hanson Robotics personifies AI's aspirations for the future. Sophia is both a human-created science fiction figure showing the future of AI and robotics, and a platform for cutting-edge robotics and AI research since she is a unique blend of science, engineering, and creativity. That's it for this video. Share your most anticipated technology advancements with us in the comments section. If you want to learn more about growing your business brand and all types of other content, start now by hitting the subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.